In an ideal world, your tractor would always deliver maximum traction. On the road, in the field, or in the yard. Now, thanks to John Deere's unique triple link suspension, TLS for short, you can have exactly what you want. To show you the astonishing effect of this new suspended front axle technology, we filmed two identical tractors being put through a variety of tests. First, the tractor without TLS. No surprises there, it's just how you'd expect a tractor to behave given the conditions. But now look, the real surprise is how an otherwise identical tractor performs when it has TLS technology. Let's look at those two tractors again, this time side by side. These tests clearly demonstrate that TLS leads to increased productivity and driver's comfort. So how does it work? The John Deere TLS suspended front axle design features two hydraulic cylinders acting as suspension legs around a virtual pivot point. Combined with a high-capacity accumulator system, the result is a horizontal suspension system which dampens axle oscillation for a smoother ride. Long 100mm total suspension travel, in combination with high-volume accumulators capacity, allows unlimited operation of suspension in all conditions, even with the heaviest front implement where maximum axle load is applied, or where precision is required. Of course, these tests only demonstrate how well the TLS system copes with bumpy surfaces. And as road transport is only part of a tractor's working day, it's what happens in the field that really counts. That's where power hop under heavy pulling slows down the tractor without TLS, consumes unnecessary power, and costs the operator both comfort and productivity. Can TLS overcome power hop and maximize traction under heavy pulling? The answer starts with the design. And the John Deere Dynamic Stability Triangle. Research shows that the longer the draft member, the more stable the tractor. In this case, the long draft member is linked to the tractor's center of gravity and to the suspension cylinders to form a triangle. With this linkage system, the reaction forces exerted by the pulling front axle force the suspension cylinders to extend or retract. This controlled, defined piston rod travel counteracts the tendency of the front end to bounce. You can see this clearly here. Power hop, or bouncing, is just beginning under heavy pulling. Reacting to the increased pulling force F, the piston rods retract and cylinder pressure C increases. With the axle pull reduced, the rods extend, with the result that bouncing or power hop is eliminated before it can start. Let's take a look at the computer model used to calculate the benefits of the dynamic stability triangle. Both tractors start equal, but as power hop begins under heavy pulling conditions, see what happens. The tractor without TLS begins to struggle, and so does its operator. Reduced speed, an uncomfortable ride, and lost productivity are his rewards, whereas the tractor with TLS pulls smoothly away. So the TLS design works well on the computer screen, but how does it cope in real life? Here we see a John Deere tractor without TLS. Notice how the power hop under heavy pull affects performance. And here's an otherwise identical tractor equipped with TLS. Further and very convincing proof that TLS delivers the maximum possible traction to all four wheels all of the time, without sacrificing compatibility with lower link sensing. When analyzing other manufacturers' designs, it appears they simply don't match up to John Deere TLS. That's because we control the whole design and manufacturing process, building in John Deere reliability and quality at every stage. The result is a suspended front axle you never have to think about, whatever the task. That's because you never have to disengage the John Deere TLS. It's a full-time system. Full-time comfort, full-time speed, full-time productivity gains. The TLS technology that has already proven itself on the 6010 series tractors is now also available on the 7010 series tractors. Maximum traction, maximum performance, maximum productivity. New TLS technology, only from John Deere. John Deere, reliability is our strength.